All right, to wrap up the course, what we're gonna do is we're going to look at some of the features that we do have available to us now, as well as some features that are up and coming for front-end development, okay? Let's start by taking a look at how we can take advantage of some of the SPA features or single page application features built into Liferay. Now, a single page application can be used to dramatically cut down the load time for any single HTML page that can be used to navigate through the entire site. And we have some of these features built into Liferay, okay? The benefit of this is it can dynamically update the HTML page while users are actually interacting with the content on the page. Now, we do have SPA functionality built into Liferay, and it is enabled automatically. So as soon as you start up Liferay, some of these features are available to you. Now, Liferay is using its own SPA engine called Senna.js, and Senna.js is handling the client-side data while Ajax is loading the page's content dynamically. So I would definitely encourage you guys to go ahead and take a look at the Senna.js website, where you can get all of the information for what it is and what key enhancements we have over some of the basic SPAs available. All right, now to configure the SPAs in the platform, you need to go to the control panel, configuration, system settings, and then the front-end infrastructure section, okay? There are 4 key configuration options that we have to work with, all right? We have cache expiration times, and that's set in minutes. We have the navigation exception selectors for CSS that SPA should ignore. We have request timeout time, which is going to be a number of milliseconds in which an SPA request is going to time out. And then we have the user notification time. So these are the 4 basic configurations that you can modify on the platform since Senna.js is automatically set up on the platform, okay? Now you can use Senna.js outside of Liferay as well. This is an example of a Senna app being declared in JavaScript. And actually some of the examples on the Senna.js website include examples like a blog example that is outside of Liferay. So setting it up outside of Liferay for your own use, okay? And we'll actually take a look at that here shortly. All right, so if you're interested in using some of the SPA features to make sure that things load quickly, whether or not users have a good connection, you can go ahead and take advantage of the SPA features in Liferay, okay? You can use it inside or outside of Liferay using Senna.js, all right? Since it is enabled in Liferay by default, all right? For the SPA features, again, Liferay is using Senna.js, and this has a number of features that make it better than just sort of your plain SPA options, such as search engine optimization and some of the bookmarking abilities, all right? And of course, like I mentioned, you can go ahead and go in and modify some of those options in the control panel. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just take a look at a quick example, specifically the blog example from the Senna.js site, just so we can get an example of what this actually looks like. All right, so let's go ahead and get started.